The museum, which is the building we're in now, is an old church. It was originally built in the 1880s.
Our collection is almost 30,000 objects.
So their shelving, slowly it filled up with boxes and boxes of family photos and township and county and you name it.
Our biggest storage problem has always been space.
We did have to be a little more picky on what we would accept.
Through donations from some of our key donors and supporters, we were able to build a new research center. We did some interviews with other museums and started asking, well, what's worked for others sometimes helps make good decisions. And they showed us their Spacesaver storage system. It's been able to stand up well over time, provide them with high-density storage. We realized that Spacesaver would be a great partner. The most important thing for us was to make sure we had enough space for our shelving system, for our flat files, and for our staff and volunteers who do a lot of work in cataloging and scanning and digitizing our collection.
You know, the room isn't huge, but again, it almost tripled our storage capacity. It's just magnificent. Like with those flat files, a nice workspace for them to be able to pull those large maps out or pictures out and have the workspace to have them instead of having to configure two tables near where you're pulling them from to be able to lay the items out flat.
One of the things that I like particularly about the FreeSpan is that the shelves are so easily movable.
One person could get away doing it. I mean, that's how easy it is to use it.
There's just a ton of space. We have to make this easier because my volunteers are 65 plus. Can I put heavy boxes on that shelf right there? Yeah, you can because it's got the support.
So one of the components that we were really looking forward to was the drawers that are part of the system. We have a number of items that are very fragile and they really should not be put on shelves with other objects. So with these drawers, we were able to buy inserts to help protect the items.
Some additional storage was day-use lockers, which would be used for both volunteers and for visitors.
The day-use lockers are real nice because you have a place to put your coat and your wet boots in Michigan's snowy weather. I think the FreeSpan shelving will help any museum. Once people find out that you're collecting things, most buildings, especially if you're in a historic site, run out of shelving space very, very quickly.
Most important things that museums do is collect and preserve artifacts and items that need to be, protected for the future. It's really important to think of all the factors that need to go into it. And it's great to have partners like Spacesaver where we have the opportunity to be able to plan this together.